My name is John Drozd, and we farm in Allegan, Michigan, which is southwest Michigan. I've been farming for forever, 45 years, I guess. Our side dress program was we would side dress some 28% with coulters, and we would use some's done with anhydrous a little bit yet, side dress, and then we went to wide drops, and now we use mostly all wide drops. We have wide drops on our 4940 sprayer. That's what we did first year, and then the second year we added them to our Blue Jet applicator, taking our coulters off. And with the coulters, there's a lot more weight, and we had a lot of problems keeping the implement together every day. We had maintenance on the coulters. This took away all that problem, made the rig a lot simpler and trouble-free. With the wide drop side dress, we like the, every time you check it, it's right where you want it to be, right along that stalk. And we notice you have a little bit of rain and boom, that nitrogen's in where it needs to be. Where in the middle of the row, you're always wondering, boy, did I get enough rain to get it moved in place? Where here, it's right there. We were unsure about, well, if we didn't get rain on it right away, but put nitrogen on top, if that'd be a problem. As it turns out, it's in the shade all the time. We did not have a problem. We held our nitrogen with no rain for several days, and it worked very well. The biggest key is we're able to get it done the way we want all the time. Where other times we were fighting, working hard to get it in the right spot. This is, like I say, it's working good for us all the time. Our overall experience with wide drops has been great. Like I say, we've had really good luck. We like the results, that's number one. And then we like the simplicity, and we like the durability. I mean, it's simple and they hold up, and we don't have nothing for maintenance, and we can just go out there every day and away we go.